My name is Will from Going Awesome Places, and with fall upon us, I'm back in Niagara to explore new spots in the region that really show how bountiful and ripe it is for the harvest. If you're looking for ideas of what to do this fall, these are the places you can't miss. This is my Niagara experience. Let's start off with the Good Earth Farm. This is the sister property to the Good Earth Food and Wine Company, and it's a full fall harvest experience with everything from food trucks, local vendors, pumpkin picking, hay rides, fire pits, and corn maze. Fall is one of my favorite seasons because the temperatures have cooled, the leaves are ablaze with color, the mosquitoes are gone, and there's pumpkin in everything. Unless you get distracted by scarecrows that you're seemingly twinning with, you'll be able to hunt for pumpkins in their various patches. They've kept them wild, so it's almost like a treasure hunt to find the perfect one for you. Awesome. I'm gonna be able to do pumpkin carving, pumpkin seeds, pumpkin pie, pumpkin bread, pumpkin cupcakes, pumpkin puree, pumpkin cookies, pumpkin chili, pumpkin tarts, and pumpkin spice latte. When thinking about the fall harvest, Bench Brewing has a unique collection of beers that really represent the terroir of Niagara and its landscape. Bench Brewing Company is located in the town of Lincoln, and in their brand new state-of-the-art facility, they produce high-quality beer that mixes old-world brewing techniques with the harvest that comes from local orchards, vineyards, and farms. This is the Vintners Collection Pinot Noir Sour from 2020. Now this was fermented in wine barrels for 12 months before it finished with Pinot Noir Rosé grape skins from the Niagara region. Wow, I can really taste those notes of cherry pie, anise, and cranberry, and those raspberry aromas. This is Culp on Golden Plums, which is part of the Barrel Age series and fermented for 2 years in a giant French oak foeder. The plums actually come from the nearby Culp farm in Beamsville. I love that dry sage aroma and hints of mandarin and honey. And of course, you can't come to Bench Brewing without having their classic Balls Falls Session IPA. Oh man, you can't go wrong with this at all. Juicy hops and not bitter at all. Now that we're done, it's time to bring them home. Did I mention that fall is fun? Here at Warner's Ranch and Pumpkin Farm, every year they also run a huge fall festival. Here's some of these you can do. There are a ton of pumpkins. There's a huge playground for kids, a petting zoo. One of the must-do activities here is the Belgian horse hay ride that takes you around the entire farm. These are huge horses. There are round hay bales to run on. And of course, you can't miss the corn maze. Come on, let's go. So many fruits and vegetables are in season in the fall, and with all the Niagara farmers doing the hard work like DeVries Fruit Farm, we're here to swoop in and fill up our own basket. Port Colborne Farmers Market runs every Friday from 9 a.m. to noon from Victoria Day to the end of October, right in front of City Hall. With more than 30 vendors available every week, there are a lot of fresh from the farm produce and even more local goods. Oh, these are pretty. We do love cucumbers. Ooh, I'll take these ambrosia apples. Wow, that smells so good. Oh, they got dahlias. Check this out. Oh, sweet apple cider. Wow, love fresh local raw honey. All right, ring me up.
Thank you. Thank you.
While you're in Port Colborne, another brewery that's worth visiting is Breakwall Brewery, which is right around the corner from the farmers market. Father and son duo Fred and Conrad Davies stick to their diligently crafted beer motto to life in Port Colborne. Speaking of bounties of the local harvest, Breakwall Brewing Company has a beer called The Shrinking Mill, and this is a wet-hopped American Pale Ale style, which features hops straight from the vine. Now, there's something really special about wet-hopped beers. Another beer that falls into theme is their Fest beer. Now, this brings back memories straight from Munich and Oktoberfest. This one, you gotta try. Woo! Ooh, super fresh. Cheers. To wrap things up, we're here at Deque Falls to see the changing of the leaves, and this is another example of a hidden waterfall along the Niagara Escarpment. Fall's in full swing here in Niagara, so make sure you come here before you miss it. I'm Will Tang, and this is My Niagara.